guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Coraline today, but my name is Tracey in case you don't already know that. I make beauty videos, I make special effects videos, I do body painting, I do hair. What don't I do? I do invite you to subscribe down below and also turn on post notifications so that you do not miss any of my Halloween looks for this year. I am posting on a daily basis for the month of October. Sometimes I may skip a day, but I'm at least posting 4 to 5 videos a week this month. So be sure you don't miss out on any of these looks. This video is actually in collaboration with my friend Sarah from Instagram. I have known her for the past 3 years and we've kept in contact with each other for that long. I feel like I just know her in real life and I don't know, she's just such a good friend. It's hard to find those on social media nowadays. So Sarah did The Other Mother and I decided to do Coraline. Her work is incredible. She does a lot of avant-garde looks. I'm always pushing her to film her looks because she does amazing work, like I said. I'm not going to go ahead and just keep going on about Sarah, so just check her out. I'll go ahead and put her information down below. So if you're interested in achieving this look, then just keep watching.
There's a hope that's waiting for you in the dark. You should know you're beautiful just the way you are.
Okay, you guys, so the first thing that we're going to be doing is using a glue stick and just setting the eyebrows down, and this is safe for your eyebrows. Your eyebrows are not going to come off. Make sure you do comb them down flat and use a baking powder to set your eyebrows in place. We want to make sure that your eyebrows are not visible in this makeup and that they're protected. You'll see what I mean later. I'm going to use my CoverGirl True Blend foundation all over the face. I'm applying my foundation with a kabuki brush, and this is from Sigma. I often get questions as to what brushes I use, and I do have an affiliate link with Sigma, so you can save 10% off your purchase. I'll go ahead and link that down below. Here, I'm just removing the makeup from the eye socket because I want my paint to be a true white. I don't want it to blend in with the foundation whatsoever. So I was going in reference to this picture here, and I wanted to make the eye kind of look upset because of, you know, the other eye got taken away by the other mother. But whatever, I kept going, you know, I'm not going to stop in the middle of makeup. Coraline has some really small pupils, so I'm just trying to stay within like my eye region so that it kind of looks like it blends in together. Especially when you close your eye, you want to make it seem like it's an actual eye there. So now I'm applying some mascara because when you close your eye, you're probably going to have some paint on your eyelashes, so to make it blend in, just apply some mascara over them. So now I'm just beginning to outline the entire eye. It's really important that you do have some very precise painting brushes. I picked mine up from my local Michaels, and they sell them in a set of like 6 for $12.99, I believe. I'm taking a baby wipe and removing some of the makeup from my nose because we're going to work on the nose right now. I'm applying some liquid latex because I do not have any spirit gum. Coraline has a really pointy nose, and I really wanted to incorporate that into this look. I'm using some DIY scar wax that I made. I'm pretty sure if you have real scar wax, it'll work so much better. Not too bad for my first time though, right? Since it was my first time, this scar wax started to kind of like crumble a little bit, so I just applied some liquid latex over it, let it dry, applied more liquid latex, and then went in with some foundation. So now using liquid latex all around the eye. I don't recommend that you do this. It does kind of irritate my eye a little bit. You're going to see that throughout the video. But I'm going to take a cotton ball and then just apply it around the entire eye where the liquid latex was applied. Please use some spirit gum if you do have that. Anyways, I'm applying some of this, some cotton, and then applying some more liquid latex over the cotton. Now I'm adding some shadow to little Coraline's raised cheek, as you can see in reference to that picture. Of course, Coraline has freckles, so I'm just going to go ahead and take a Ruby Kiss Cosmetics liquid liner. I feel like liquid liners show off best opposed to like a pencil, so that's why I use the liquid. So now to the eye, I'm adding some purplish tones to around the rim of the eye, and also applying some black, some red, just to make it look like an actual wound. I'm going to use a fluffy brush and then just blend all of those colors in together, and as you can see, it starts looking more like a wound. I'm going to pick up one of my favorite liquid lipsticks, and this is Wet n Wild's Give Me Mocha, and I feel like this is a perfect color for Coraline. I'm extending Coraline's lips out a little bit because that's what it looks like to me in the movie. To bring some color to the face, I'm going to be using this Note Cosmetics blush, and I'm going to be applying just to the apples of the cheeks, and it's so buttery and super pigmented, so that's why I wanted to use this. I did receive this in one of my previous BOXYCHARM boxes. So we're pretty much done with the face. I just have to paint on a little yellow coat because Coraline is known for that yellow coat. Unfortunately, I didn't have one, so I had to paint one on. If you will be painting, make sure that you do use like a painting sponge because it takes so long to do it with a brush. I'm going to leave you guys with some music for the rest of this look because this is just all detailed work and pretty self-explanatory.
Okay guys, and that completes this look. This look was definitely not time consuming like I thought. The only time consuming part was doing this little coat. And if you have a yellow coat, you can totally skip this part. I didn't have one, so I just wanted to make sure that this Coraline had it. I really hope that you guys did enjoy it. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Giving my video a thumbs up does help my video get seen and just get out there, so I really appreciate you guys so much for being here and joining me today. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Don't forget to check out my latest videos, which are on the right side of the screen, and on the left side are all my other social media handles. If you hit the little circle with my picture in the middle, it does subscribe you to my channel.